Mercury ranked #1 in the first game of the playoffs is Friday. Tonight, Smart Shopper Daphne Monroe making it easy on your wallet to get out and support the team. Here she's now with the brand new deal of the day.
Okay, so the Phoenix Mercury are rocking it this season. And this is Tiffany, who is actually one of the newer members of the Phoenix Mercury.
Yep.
You're actually a guard, right?
I'm a guard.
So you're pretty fast.
Have to be.
Tiny, but super fast.
Right.
I love it. So tell me about the Phoenix Mercury and, you know, the big games that are coming up.
Well, we've had a great season, and you know it's playoffs. We had 29 wins, and that's I think the longest in WNBA history.
Wow.
And I mean, it's a great team to be a part of, and I'm lucky to be a part of it for my rookie year. So it's been a great ride.
Right, and they have their game coming up. It's a playoff game coming up on Friday, August 22nd, right?
Right.
Well, we're doing a fantastic deal today, so you can come and support Tiffany and her teammates playing the game. Tickets normally cost $42 for lower level seats, but Smart Shoppers, guess what? You're going to score a deal where those tickets are only going to cost you $20. You can either come to the U.S. Airways ticket box office, or you can go online and purchase the tickets with the code ABC15. And you have until tip-off time at 7 p.m. on Friday before the game to score that deal. I'll have all the details of this deal posted on our website. Just head to abc15.com/smartshopper. I'm Daphne Monroe, your Smart Shopper. How's that?
That was good.
Thanks.